Hey COB team, welcome back to my channel. It is yet another episode which promises to be entertaining and educating. Yeah, okay. I hope you guys are doing good wherever you are watching from. If you do not mind, kindly let us know your location so that we can give you a shout out. That's a new perk for this channel where we get to know you and know your location and send some love and kisses your way. Okay, so on this very episode, I will be teaching us how to steam our proteins. Yes, you heard me right. How to steam your proteins. Okay, a lot of people do not know how to do this, and so when they cook, they might actually serve you a very sumptuous meal, but when you eat the protein inside, by protein I mean your beef, your chicken, your goat meat, your fish, all of that comprises of your proteins. Okay, so by the time you eat it, you find out that it tastes tasteless. Yes, some of them you even feel like throwing up, yeah, because it is not well seasoned. And why do they do that? Some persons will just put in their fish or their meat, the proteins like this, just pour water and then add salt and seasoner and then set it on the flame. Believe you me, it's going to turn out badly, yeah, because it will just boil, and what you are salting or seasoning is the water, the stock, but the protein itself will be tasteless because that water will not allow penetration inside. Okay, so now if you're not marinating, that is soaking it in a already seasoned or sweetened liquid, then you have to season this way. Yeah, you just have to add your ingredients for seasoning and then do not add water. Set it on the flame to boil. It has its own juice already. That juice would enable it to boil, to steam, while the seasonings and every other ingredients that you added will be able to suck into your protein and give it a nice taste, so that by the time you are done cooking, your food itself is tasty and your protein is tasty. And some people can really feed on proteins, but if such a protein is not tasty, believe you me, they are not going to enjoy it. So in here I just added a seasoning cube and I'm following it up with some salt. Okay, please add salt with your own discretion. To that, I am adding some curry powder. Following it up is some thyme. Now this depends on the food you are preparing. I'm making jollof rice with this. I followed it up with mixture of ginger and garlic. And I'm adding blended Scotch bonnet pepper. It is nice to season your proteins with pepper to make it, to make it spicy, but not everyone likes it. If you don't, you can do away with that. So I give it a good stir to mix everything up, and then I am adding my dried fish. Yes, this is jollof rice, but I just want to make it with mixture of proteins. And to that, I just added some iced fish. And the final protein to be added here is my stock fish, the head, of course. If you haven't made jollof rice with stock fish head, please go and try it and come back and thank me later. Okay, now I added a little salt so that these organs on top can be sweet as well. Yes, they can have the tastiness of the other ones under because I didn't turn it. So to that, you cover it and allow it to steam. Yeah, it's been steaming so nicely and the kitchen smells so yummy-licious at this moment. I hope you'll be trying this method if you haven't been using it. If you haven't yet given this video a thumbs up, please kindly like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. it. This is the best way. If you eat this, oh my god, it tastes so nice. Yeah, and you use it for your meal, the same thing. It doesn't suck out whatever water you're having, doesn't suck out the seasoning that is already in here because it has already been. Thank you for staying tuned. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please kindly subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you in another video. Bye.
Subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much and God bless you.